Getting your Virginia Learner's Permit starts right here. Most people think 1 or 2 quizzes is enough. Then, the DMV knowledge exam surprises them. On Driving-Tests.org, every question is based on the official Virginia driver's manual and written in real exam style. Tricky wording, double negatives, and the same pitfalls people miss at the counter. Here's the plan. Take the short diagnostic to see where you stand. Do 2 to 3 practice tests, then clear your mistakes in the challenge bank. Come back tomorrow for a 10-minute tune-up, let's call it. We save your progress automatically, so no account or email needed. Most first-time passers complete about 80 to 120 questions across 3 to 5 short sessions. Your state page will show exactly how many questions and what score you'll need on the real exam. You feel like you're ready now? Tap Start Free Practice Test and let's get you road ready for the Virginia DMV.